Oh yeah, way more comfortable. Alright guys, what's going on, and welcome to another video. And this, I'm like way more excited than I should be, but this is our first ride with the new handlebar setup. So as you can tell, we got brand new handlebars, we got brand new handguard mounts, some new mirrors, some new grips. We even got the little caps on here. Yeah, this thing's pimp. Really nice setup, nice and clean. Yeah, this thing is sweet. And also, it is a lot, not a lot, it's a little bit higher because I have to put the little adapters here. So if we stand up, oh yeah, way more comfortable. Yep, I like it guys, very, very nice. Gotta set up the little mirrors so that I can see behind me. Yeah, this setup, sweet. I love it already. Alright guys, let's do a quick, I wanted to pull up next to that water spot, but there we have it. We have the new setup, we have the new handlebars, we have new grips, we have new hand guards, and we have new mirrors. And the hand guards were actually, so I got these off Amazon, but they screwed me because I bought the Pros. They gave me the regular Zeta XC ones, so I'm going to swap these out for the Pros. But yeah, this thing looks really nice. Ended up getting the Zeta mounts for the forks, for the fork mount. So it's actually a little bit nicer, leaves the bar a little bit cleaner, and it's also stronger. And we ended up getting the Pro hand guards. So obviously if you drop these, this rubber piece comes out and you can put a brand new one. So yeah, this thing looks really nice and clean. Yeah, with those bigger hand guards, this thing looked very nice. And I even did the little caps for the mirrors. Yeah, this bike is coming along. It looks a lot cleaner without the mirrors hanging out. Look at this thing. This thing is a beaut. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's go rip this thing a little bit more. Whoops. Ooh, that exhaust. Spicy. Whoa. This thing is a blast, guys. Oh, yes, yes. Loving it. Now I just have to make sure I don't drop it again. Obviously I did want to replace the handlebars with different ones, but I didn't plan on doing it anytime soon. But since obviously we ended up dropping it, kind of gave me an excuse to do it, and I figured why not just replace everything. I didn't mind the other handguards I had on there, but they were kind of a faded red, and I feel like they didn't protect as much. So once I get the Pros, these protect a little bit more, but still not as much as the Pros. The Pros are a lot bigger. So once we get those, they will look nice and beefy. I do plan on getting the feisty. I do plan on getting the quad lock mount for this thing. So obviously when I have the quad mount on it, the quad lock on it, it will be, yeah, make sure I focus on this guy. I don't know if you guys can see, it's getting pretty dark, but hopefully when I get the quad lock for it, I don't know if I can mount it here. If not, I'll have to mount it on either end, but it'll look a lot cleaner that because I'm not running a clamp for the hand guards on the handlebars. Oh, this thing sounds good. And this thing also pops a little bit. It doesn't pop like the XSR pops, but it does. They're just like tiny little pops. She sounds good. Look at this. This maneuverability. Oh. This thing just makes me smile. I think I have a pretty good setup with this bike and the XSR. The XSR is nice and quick, and obviously also makes me smile. This thing is just nimble and a whole bunch of fun to ride also. Ooh, not sure if the microphone is catching those pops, but this thing is great. This thing is great. Ooh. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy this quick little video. Just wanted to do a video of the bars installed. Hopefully you guys can see, because this darkness is coming up quick, and it's already fall time. Pretty soon the good weather's gonna be going away, but we're still gonna be ripping this thing around. I do not want the good weather to go away, but New England, so like on Game of Thrones, winter is coming. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video of the, I didn't film the install, but there's a ton of installs. This stuff's pretty easy. I just kind of wanted to bang it out that day, and just wanted to film the finished product. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. Keep on riding.